Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we are comparing the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver quick and convenient ice production, making them perfect for your home, RV, or camping adventures. We'll dive into their features, performance, and what sets them apart to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The OLIXIS Ice Maker is priced at $69, making it a more affordable option for those looking for a budget-friendly ice maker. In contrast, the Igloo model comes in at $87, which is a bit pricier. While both machines offer similar daily ice production, the cost difference may influence your decision if you're on a budget. Next, let's compare the ice production speed. The OLIXIS Ice Maker can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, which is quite impressive. On the other hand, the Igloo model takes a bit longer, producing 8 cubes in 7 to 8 minutes. If speed is a priority for you, the OLIXIS might be the better choice. Finally, let's look at the ice options. The OLIXIS Ice Maker offers versatility with 2 selectable ice sizes, allowing you to choose between small and large cubes depending on your needs. In contrast, the Igloo model only produces 1 standard size of ice. If you prefer having options for different types of beverages, the OLIXIS may be more appealing. In conclusion, both the OLIXIS and Igloo ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The OLIXIS stands out for its affordability, faster production speed, and dual ice size options, making it a great choice for those who prioritize performance and value. Meanwhile, the Igloo's compact design and brand reputation may appeal to those with limited counter space. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.